And now you're being detained.
Wait, my baby's in the house, bro. My baby's in the house. My baby's in the house. No.
Stop. You grabbed him around the neck?
Yeah, I grabbed him.
What about the lip?
I probably did. Hey, this is his mom on the phone. If you come near me and arrest me for him attacking me, I don't know what kind of has come down on you.
How do I know he attacked you? You're not wanting to provide a statement or anything.
I've called you several times when this man has attacked me, and no one has helped me. Don't make me break this window out.
Yeah, I said that because you are resisting. You are resisting.
Well, I want to speak to the sergeant. Why
He's
are
on
you
his way.
arresting me?
Are you going to stop yelling or not?
Meet Haley, who crossed the line from loving girlfriend to aggressor after attacking her boyfriend. Her actions were so intense that she struck and choked him, causing him to lose his ability to breathe. Now her rage has trapped her in unexpected legal trouble.
We got to fight. I got aggravated because his whole family makes me. He don't see it, and I want him to see. Like they all talk about him, and
They make you feel like crap. They talk crap about him.
yeah.
It all started on April 26, 2023, when officers responded to a domestic battery call involving Joel, the victim. He explained that a heated argument with his girlfriend had escalated into violence.
She got mad. She put her hands on you. Can you explain how that happened?
Well, I had called my sister, asked me if she could send me $5 so I can get a gallon of water for the baby. And then my sister sends it to me, and then she's mad because, they keep saying, why didn't you get enough? And she said, it makes you look bad.
Mad because she didn't get enough water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they said, why didn't you get enough?
Okay.
And they said, it makes you look bad, and blah, 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 and then she wants to just hit me. And they keep going.
Where'd she hit you at? Okay. Do you need paramedics or anything like that? Did she hit you with a closed fist or an open fist?
Close fist.
The scratches on your neck, is that from her
choked me.
She choked you? That was during this whole incident? Did you lose the ability to breathe at all during this?
No.
No, but she put her hands on you. Did she say anything? She say anything when she did that?
When I told her I was calling the cops, she said, okay, I might as well make it worth it. And then...
Okay. And she's in the RV right now?
Yeah.
Okay, your 2-month-old is in there right now?
Yeah.
Is both y'all's kid?
Yeah.
Y'all married or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Do me a favor, hang out over here. I'm probably going to go over there for right now, okay?
As the officers approached Haley, they immediately took her into custody, but she resisted, complicating the arrest. Once the situation was under control, the cops began questioning her.
What's up down here?
Hello?
Right now you're being detained.
Wait, my baby's in the house, bro. My baby's in the house. My baby's in the house.
Stop.
My baby's in the house. Wait.
Stop.
No, my baby's in the house.
Shoulder arm.
My baby's in the house. My baby's in the house.
Stop resisting us.
Fine.
Stop resisting us.
Please, my baby's in the house.
Stop resisting.
My baby's baby.
We're not going to let nothing happen to it.
My baby, please let me go with mother. Please.
Well, give us a second and we will. Stop resisting us.
Okay, yes, sir.
It's going to be bad for you if you don't.
We're not gonna let nothing
Calm
happen
down.
to the baby.
Calm down.
Please, I don't
Okay.
please.
Okay. I get it. But
Do me a favor. As long as she stays calm, I'm going to go get my car, bring it over
yeah,
here.
yeah, you got it.
All right, you guys good over here? All right, sorry. Basically, one of y'all, what's your last name?
Yano,
Yano? Okay.
you need us over here or just
No, just him. Just one real quick thing. Kids, both y'all's, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That I know of. No DNA, but that I know of.
Are you on the birth certificate?
Yeah, I'm on the bus.
Okay. So, since you're technically the legal guardian, legal parent, she is going to be taking a ride with us here in a second. Once you're done with these fine gentlemen here, I need you to come around there to come get your kids so that way the kid's not by itself in the trailer, okay? And I'll get the rest of the information from there. All right, here, she can just have her have a seat right there for right now.
Sit down. Sit down. Just sit down. Just sit down.
Okay.
I've already searched it.
Okay, cool. Oh, okay, I was like, don't be jumping up on us.
No, I'm not that.
Okay, you're fine.
I'm sorry, guys.
You're fine.
Is your baby safe right now?
Okay. Who's the dad?
He's the dad.
Okay.
That's dad.
I'm going to go get him.
I already told him. Just hang out over there. Well, actually, go. Do you mind hanging over there real quick to make sure he doesn't walk up here while we're talking? That way you can be here for part of the interview.
Yes.
Okay. Miss Haley, spell your first name for me.
It's Hayley.
Hayley.
It's Walters W.
Okay.
ALTE.
Miss Haley, can you do me a favor? Just take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just keep breathing for me, okay? All right, Miss Haley, so I got to ask you about everything that happened today. Before I talk to you at all, I have to read you your Miranda rights, okay? All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights, not answer any questions, or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Sorry, what was that?
Yes.
Okay. And having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me right now about the incident?
We got in a fight. I got aggravated because his whole family makes him. He don't see it, and I want him to see. Like they all talk about him, and
They make you feel like crap. They talk crap about him.
yeah, and they make him feel like he always left out, and they always doubt him. Like it's Friday tomorrow, he gets paid. He was just calling for a gallon of water.
Yeah.
And then they said, oh, why you didn't do this? Why you didn't do that? And I got upset because they do it all the time, and he didn't see what I was upset about. Why?
Okay.
Because it always happens, and I want him to see that. And then he's like, oh, I don't know why you're upset. Just let me be mad. Just let me leave and just go. And then we got bigger than what it was. And
So what happened? What led? Because he's got a busted lip and he's got some markings on his neck. What happened with that?
because I grabbed him.
You grabbed him around the neck.
Yeah, I grabbed him.
What about the lip?
I probably did. Probably did. When I tried to grab him by his shirt, but
10-4.
Now, when you grabbed him around the neck, was that before or after he said he was going to call 911?
he never said he was gonna call me.
Oh, he didn't?
He never once
Okay.
said it to me.
So it progressed from a verbal altercation about family issues, which again, I've been there with me and my wife, and it progressed to the point where
Yes.
you guys got physical with each other.
Yes, but only person that they said, no one even told me they was calling the cops. I didn't even know y'all guys was coming.
Yeah. To be fair, he did not call us.
Yeah, I know. I know he didn't.
Why'd you put your hands on him? If it's a verbal thing between his family, what caused you to do that?
I can't even answer that question. I know a lot of people's sisters say that, but no, I have a temper, really, and that's the reason why I'm trying to walk away and just.
The cops informed Haley of her charges and placed her in the cruiser. They then asked Joel if Haley had ever threatened him with a weapon, but he denied it. Meanwhile, Haley expressed concern about her baby.
Talk about it. And Tyler tried to tell me, oh, you don't need to get mad. It's something stupid.
So he wanted to talk about you did, and you got upset, but I'm still trying to understand how it led to.
And after that, I don't know what happened from there. Like I blacked out.
All right. So you are going to be taking a ride with me for simple domestic battery. Okay, so you're going to go to jail. All right, I'll let you grab your shoes. I'll make sure the kid's taken care of. As long as you don't.
See my baby first, please.
We're not going back inside the trailer, no. Okay. I can have Joel bring her outside. Okay. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to have it walk over to my car and have a seat in there. Okay. Okay. Here, do you want to slip these slides on? We're going to walk over to my car. I'm going to walk you around the other side because this is an angle right here. Okay. I just want you to make sure. All right, I'm going to pat you on the back of my hand, make sure you got nothing hidden on you, okay? You don't have anything hidden? Okay. Your arms? Okay. Have a seat inside the car for me. Hey, you're smaller, but if the pressure gets too much on your wrist, sit with your back facing that way, okay? I'm going to crank the AC up so...
Can I see my baby, please?
Yeah, okay, we'll bring the baby
That's
out.
all I'm asking.
I understand, we will.
Can I see my baby, please?
Yes, whenever Joel comes over here. We're not going yet, okay? I understand. Haley, listen to me. I told you you'd see your baby, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not making a false promise to you. Okay, but I need you to calm down for me. Okay? Do you think she has the capability to kill you?
No.
Okay. She's wanting to see the kid before she goes. Yeah, I gotta fill out some paperwork. So I'm gonna let you walk over here with her. I'm gonna have you come over here to this side. It's on the other side of the car from her. I'm gonna roll the window down. Don't say anything to her. Don't argue with her. Ordinarily, I wouldn't even allow this, except for I'm trying to keep her calm. Oh, not her. Her. I'm trying to keep her calm. So do me a favor. When you go over there, don't say anything to her. I told her the same thing. She starts arguing. I'm just gonna roll the window up and you can walk away. Okay? I do have to fill out some paperwork for you, but I'll get that done after we have you see the kid. Okay? And then if anything, if you can get her back to sleep, go put her back in the thing. There's no arguing. If you don't calm down, I'm not rolling the window down. Haley. Oh. Haley. If you don't calm down, I'm not rolling the window down, okay? I will let you see your baby, but you're not going to be able to hold your baby. Okay? I know, your baby needs some rest. Okay? Baby's going to stay inside the trailer for right now. So, state of Florida has zero tolerance policy, meaning that if we have allegations of a crime or proof that a crime occurred and we can determine a primary aggressor, that person goes to jail automatically. So, we had a call about a crime occurring. We had physical proof that a crime occurred based off his lip and neck. And, I mean, the proof, you told me that you did it. No, you're not a liar. You're not going to lie about it. But because of that, even if he didn't want to press any charges, because the state of Florida has zero tolerance policy, I can arrest you even if he doesn't want you arrested.
Oh, okay.
So, it's not necessarily him, it's not necessarily her, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it don't matter what their opinion is on whether or not you should go to jail, you're going to go to jail either way. Okay? Okay.
Wait, you're not allowed to.
No, y'all aren't going to be allowed to have contact. And technically, you're not allowed to be back here either on your bond conditions.
Not like that, but like, what about my baby? I'm not allowed to have her at all. Sorry. Did you say you're telling me about my baby?
I never said that.
What do you mean I can't have contact with him?
Okay, Haley, you're getting upset and you're assuming stuff that I didn't get a chance to explain yet. Okay?
So he can't even make me bond if he wants.
No. Now that doesn't mean you're not going to be able to see your kid. Okay? What that means is that, well, one, you won't be able to come back here. You won't be able to have any contact with him. But after you go to court, you can arrange a child custody thing to where you can, obviously see your kid.
The child custody thing. I just want to, am I allowed to have her back?
Unless the child is removed from you by the state of Florida, yeah. Or unless the judge puts it as part of your conditions you're not allowed to have it, you will be allowed to.
Due to Haley's situation, authorities discussed temporary custody of the child with Joel to ensure the baby's safety and well-being.
So the kid's 2 months old?
Yeah, 3 months.
Has she gone checked out for any kind of like postpartum depression or anything like that?
Who, her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like that might be a little bit of an issue why her emotions are.
Yeah.
I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert, but it happens quite often. Alright.
Can I talk to her, please?
Nah, if she's acting like that.
She's doing that because she thinks I'm going to take the baby.
I told her over and over again she's not going to, but the way she's acting, I'm not going to. I shouldn't even, honestly, she shouldn't have been able to see the two of y'all with the window down. But I wanted to work with her because I thought she'd be calm, and she just now not been. Spell your first name again for me.
J-O-E-L.
J-O-E-L?
Yeah.
Either one of y'all have like a medical card or anything?
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just get, I'm giving.
Clean it up. Get one.
No, here's no, tell me.
I want to get one.
Joel, listen to me. You're just listen. She's assuming you're assuming. Just listen, okay? I'm not worried about that right now.
I know.
But I do have to contact the Department of Children and Families, which means they're going to send an investigator out here to clean it up. That's all I'm saying. Everyone freaking smokes that crap now.
Yeah.
Now, is it legal? Some places, yes.
Yes. Some
Right
places
now?
not.
No. And when DCF shows up, they're going to they'll ask you for a piss test, even if you pop from that's, they usually don't screw with you too much, okay?
Yeah.
But be honest with them, be open with them, don't lie to them. Because then they could...
The more you lie,
they could screw you up bad. She's worried about you taking the kid away, they could take the kid away.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to do.
You can't break anything anyway.
Even if she does, it's not going to... She just doesn't think about it's going to be another charge. So essentially what this is a receipt that I turn in that says, hey, I provided him with this information, explained it all to him, okay? Oops, sorry, my bad. It's Marcy's Law. Marcy's Law is basically your information will be redacted from the report whenever it becomes public record.
Right.
So are you wanting to participate in that?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And it's not going to change the outcome of the case either way. This is basically the form that says you'd be notified 1 hour prior to her release from Marion County Jail, okay? and that's how to apply for an injunction, which I'm going to give you an actual paper copy of it. So what I need from you, if you're okay with signing, and your signature right here on this line, and you can use that. You don't have to use your hand. You can literally just use the pen right there. Okay, just hold on to the pen. It's right there above that red lettering, and it don't have to be neat or anything either. Just hold on to it. Sorry, there's a couple right there. All right, I'm going to get this back in the car. I'm not
taking the baby.
I tried to tell her that already. Joe, listen. I told her multiple times. She ain't listening to me.
There's no like action.
No, I'm gonna get you copies of it and bring it to you real quick.
Haley expressed concern about losing custody of her baby, but the officers clarified that the matter would be addressed after court proceedings.
Can you, I want to see my baby.
No. Haley, you need to calm down.
I'm so scared for him to take my baby away from me.
Your baby? Haley.
He's not going to give her back to me.
Haley.
He's not going to give her back to me.
Okay.
Tomorrow. He's not saying it though. What are you saying?
Haley, if you stop talking, I was going to tell you that he said he's not taking the kid away from you.
Yeah, but is he going to let me see her tomorrow?
I don't know. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see each other tomorrow. You're not going to be able to have contact with him.
My mom picked her up.
Then that's something that he'll have to figure out with her.
Can he please?
Okay.
Oh, please don't take
Haley,
her.
Haley, Haley,
God.
stop yelling.
Please,
Stop.
I'm going to let my I'm going to let my tomorrow. I'm here tomorrow. Can I?
With me right there, I'd be 100% okay with it. But when people call him in, I can't do that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? And like I said, I'm not an unreasonable person. I'll work with you. That's why I warned you about that crap in there. So that's got my name and information. That's got the case number. That's how to apply for an injunction, okay? Part of her bond conditions, she's not going to be able to come back here. She's not going to be able to have contact. She's not going to be able to see you. If you guys are going to arrange anything, contact her mom and arrange it through her mom. Do not let her mom pass messages from her to you, because that may or may not be a violation depending on what the judge says as far as conditions. All right. If you need anything else, give me a call. I'm gonna give her a chance to put her feet out willingly, and then if not, I'm gonna help. Haley.
Please.
See your feet.
I don't want, please. I don't want to be taken away from me.
It's not gonna be taken away from you, but when you keep kicking on my car and causing damage,
I don't want, I'm gonna see her tomorrow.
keep inside. Keep inside.
I'm gonna see her tomorrow.
Seatbelt.
Yeah, seatbelt.
Lean back.
Please, fix my ear.
I can't if you lean back. Somebody else got gloves on?
Yeah, I got gloves on. I'll do it in a second.
Can I see her tomorrow? Tomorrow, please. Tomorrow, please. Can I see her tomorrow, please?
Haley,
I
if
just
you want
wanna-
your handcuffs fixed? You want your handcuffs fixed?
Yes, I want to.
Turn that way.
I want to see her.
Turn
now.
that way.
I want to see her.
Okay.
Oh my.
Appreciate it.
Hey, can we please go? Please, guys.
Yep, we're on the way. Say what now? We're in Marion County. Yep. Sally, kick your feet up over here.
That's not hard.
Can you unbuckle or no? No, you're fine, you're fine. Alright, let's head out this way. Alright, over here.
Haley was charged for battery. While Haley dangerously attacked her boyfriend, our next abusive girlfriend went even further, following the same path and trying to play the innocent victim when the cops arrived. But did her act manage to fool the officers?
And he just kept coming at me, and he kept hitting me, and he kept trying to...
Where was he hitting you?
He hit me in the head, and he hit me in the shoulders, and he grabbed me by my throat. And
On August 25th, 2024, police responded to a boyfriend-girlfriend dispute in St. Petersburg. The cops arrived at the scene with concern and spoke with the boyfriend, who opened up about his personal life, expressing that he didn't want to continue living that way.
So that's going to be the report number, my name, and the other officer that was here as well.
Yes, sir.
If she comes back, give us a call. He's looking for her right now, but we haven't had any luck finding her yet. But
Smarter than you everything.
yeah, if she comes back, just give us a call.
Okay, I think she has her purse on me. I'm just gonna leave and
All right.
I gotta take.
Does she have a key to the apartment?
In her purse, she should, but
Okay.
I don't know. She's pretty freaking lit, man. Again,
Yeah.
I got a 3-year-old daughter that's separated from that, and I
Right.
can't have that in my life.
Right.
She just can't understand. Anyway, it's none of your fault.
No, I understand. I hear you.
It just comes the other way around. It's a lot harder. You know, when it's a male and a female, then it's one thing. When it's a male, a female and a male, then it's
Yeah.
like, what the you're calling cops? But again, I'm not living like that.
You got to do what you got to do to protect yourself at the end of the
I saw
day.
my father beat my mother all my life. I'm not living like this.
Right.
This is why I'm in recovery. Anyway, yes, sir. I appreciate
All
your
right.
time. I appreciate your time, sir.
Not a problem. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yep, if you see her, just give us a call. Appreciate it. And
The cops spoke with the woman to uncover the details, and she explained how her boyfriend became physically aggressive, choking and hitting her, and even throwing her belongings.
what's
Alright,
So what's going on between you and your boyfriend?
So I was at the beach with my friend, and I got home, and I got home first, and he wasn't home. So then when he came home, he was mad that I was at the beach without him, and I drank a little bit of wine at work or at the beach. I'm not drunk. It's not a huge deal. Like, I did have a sip or two of wine, maybe a glass or two. But he came home. I was at home. He came home and he started flipping out. He started choking me and hitting me, and he started throwing all my clothes out the door. He stole my phone. He tried to take my money, my cash money, which is all I had right now, because either way, so he just continued to throw all my stuff out the door, and I kept trying to just get what I needed to leave the situation, and he just kept coming at me, and he kept hitting me, and he kept trying to.
Where was he hitting you?
He hit me in the head, and he hit me in the shoulders, and he grabbed me by my throat, and he just kept throwing my stuff out the door, and I was just trying to leave. I was just trying to leave the situation, and so that's what happened. And this is an ongoing problem. It's nothing new. He's very controlling, and I just got home before him, and he got home, and he was mad that I was at the beach, and he was upset about that, and so we started flipping out.
Can I see if there's any marks on your neck
Yeah,
at all?
you can. I don't know if there is or not. I just try to get out of the situation as fast as possible.
It says it right now, but don't see anything.
I mean, I'm not trying to I don't want him in trouble in any kind of way. I'm really not trying to hurt him.
Yeah.
I just want to leave the situation as peacefully as possible.
Okay. You can put your jacket back on.
Yeah, that's all. I'm just trying to stay out of it. I don't want him. I'm not trying to hurt anybody.
All right. So, in order for me to continue my investigation, I'm going to ask you some questions,
Sure.
but I have to read your rights. It's just the law.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Sure.
Okay. All right. So let's start from the beginning. You get home from the beach.
Yeah.
And then he gets home at one point.
Yeah.
Let's start from there.
Okay. So I come home. He's not home, and he comes home very shortly after. It wasn't long at all. He comes home very shortly after, and he's upset that I was at the beach with my friend, and he starts throwing all my stuff out of the house, and he comes at me, and he grabs me by the throat, and he starts hitting me, and then he continues. I'm just trying to collect my things. I'm just trying to collect my things and get out of the situation as fast as possible. Like I said, this is our ongoing.
How long, ongoing, have you guys been?
Like him and I, like with his controlling issues, a long time. Yeah, and so he just starts throwing my stuff out the house over and over.
The officer asked the woman how the violence escalated, and she explained her side of the story. However, she denied intentionally causing harm to her boyfriend, despite witnesses reporting seeing scratches on him.
My things, and he tried to take my money at one point. He took my phone. That's why I don't have my phone right now. He has my phone, and so I was trying to like get him off of me, you know, and he tried to take my money, and then I did get that back off of him at some point, but he just kept throwing my stuff out the door, and he kept coming at me, and he kept trying to like keep me like just, but just because, you know, like.
How long have you guys been together for?
About a year.
A year?
Yeah, off and on about a year.
Okay.
Yeah. And
You
this
guys have
is,
any kids together?
we don't, no, this has been a problem, you know.
And you guys been living here for about like 10 months?
Yeah, around there, yeah. And, yeah.
So how did Hector get all those marks all over him? He has...
I mean, probably from me trying to get him off of me.
Okay, because he has claw marks all over his...
Yeah, because he was on top of me.
Okay.
So I was trying to get him off of me.
So his side...
I don't know what he looks like. I wasn't trying to hurt him, but
Well,
trying to hurt him.
What he told me
I was not trying to hurt
you
him.
guys were arguing about the beach situation. He came home and he saw that you were drunk on the bed. And
I wasn't.
I'm just telling you what he said. And then from there, it started to become like a verbal argument, and then it became physical.
No,
And you started
immediately he came at me, and I was trying to get him off of me. So I was trying to get him off of me immediately, like, and then he started.
Immediately when he got home, he came.
When he got home, he was getting very mad. So first thing, he went to the closet, and he starts throwing all my stuff out the door. And then he started, and I'm trying to leave, and I'm trying to get all my things together, and he's trying to push. He's pushing me, and he's strangling me, he's hitting me. So I'm trying to get him off of me. You know, so of course
Do you
he's
have any
gonna.
marks or anything on?
I don't know. I didn't even look. I wasn't trying to you know. You know, I was just trying to get him off of me, that's all. You know, he was coming on top of me. I was trying to get him off of me. I was just trying to get out of this situation, period. He stole my phone. He tried to steal my money. You know, that's why I don't have a phone right now. That's why I'm not calling from my phone. He stole my phone. I was trying to get my phone, you know.
And how come you didn't call 911?
Because I was just trying to get out of the situation. As soon as I got over here with a phone, I called. You know, I didn't have a phone. I was just trying to leave the situation. I didn't want to try to get it off of him or anything like that. I was just trying to get out of the situation and find, you know, because my friend comes in here a lot, and she uses this store, so they have her number. So I was trying to get actually a hold of her first thing.
So if I were to tell you that there was 2 witnesses that didn't want to be in a police report that saw you attacking him, what would you say?
I don't even know what to say. All I was trying to do is get him off of me. That's it. I was just trying to get him off of me. I was just trying to leave the situation, period. That's all I was trying to do. That's it.
Do you have anything else to say?
I don't.
You can zip up your jacket.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to hurt anybody. I was just trying to get away from the situation. Like, just leave the situation. I don't have a phone, so I came over here to use the phone, and that's why I called you guys. You know, like, I don't have anything to hide, or otherwise I would, you know, would not have called.
All right, let me just
You know, this is an ongoing thing.
How do you spell your first name?
Yeah, I was just trying to get him off me. I wasn't trying to hurt him whatsoever. I just wanted to get out of the situation, period, you know, and that's why I came over here. And, like, honestly, this only happened a few minutes ago. It wasn't even long at all, and I came...
Yeah, like, we got there pretty fast.
Yeah, you guys...
There anymore. How come you didn't wait for us?
Well, because I didn't want him to... Kids kept coming at me, and I didn't want to have to... Because he kept saying he was going to call the cops on me, and he was going to try to put it on me. Like, go ahead and make marks.
Yeah, I mean...
And he's coming at me real hard, like, and I'm just trying to get him off of me, and he kept trying to get me to make marks on him. And I wasn't even trying to do... I just wanted out of the situation, period. You know, like, I just want gone. I'm going to move out. I don't need to go back there. That's ridiculous. Like, you know, so he kept trying for this exact situation to happen. He wanted me to put marks. He was trying to get me to put marks on him, and I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to hurt him. I just wanted to leave altogether. Like, I just wanted gone.
The woman tried to convince the cops that she was merely defending herself and wanted to escape the abusive situation, leaving him to deal with the consequences of his actions. But the cops weren't fooled by her story.
And
right when you got up, he came back after you?
He's screaming in my face, very close in my face, screaming at my face, and then he pushes me down. And then he pushes me down again. You know, and he pushes me down again, and I fall down again, and he just continues to get all my things and throwing them out the door over and over, like, and then I'm trying to leave.
Do you have any marks on the back?
I don't even know. I don't care. You know, I wasn't trying to.
We care for our investigation.
Right. No, right, of course. I don't know. So then, did you guys see all the stuff on the porch?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he admitted to throwing all your stuff out.
Okay. Yep. So this happened over and over, and he's in my face, and he's grabbing me up, and he's screaming at me.
Where's he grabbing you?
He grabbed me in the throat once. He definitely did, because I can feel it.
What hand did he use?
Probably his right hand. Yeah, definitely his right hand then, because, yeah. Alright, so, I'm sorry, it happens very fast. You don't really realize,
we're just trying to get as much details as we can.
Yeah,
you know?
got it. Alright, so, and then, at one point, he took my phone, and he has my phone still. That's why I had to come over here to call y'all. At one point, he took my phone, and he's trying to look through the phone, which I don't even care at this point. I was just trying to leave the situation, but I don't have any money and I wanted to make sure I had my money, and he tried to take, I was trying to find my money, and then when I found...
Where was your phone at when he grabbed it?
In my hand, because I was trying to call for help to get me out of the situation. I was trying to call my friend.
So you guys, okay, I'm gonna reiterate kind of what I'm getting out of this. So he got home, he came after you, he pushed you down. While you were pushed down, he started throwing your clothes out.
Right.
When you got back up, he got back in your face and pushed you down multiple times again.
Yes.
And you just kept on getting back up.
Him hurt. Like, I don't want to hurt him.
By you telling us that he was throwing you down at least 5, 6, 7 times.
Right, I had to get him off of me.
You would have some type of marks all over you, which you don't. You don't have any. And I'm not saying I don't. And I'm not saying I don't believe you.
Pushing me, and I was trying to get him off of me. So I was just pushing him, trying to get him off of me. You know, like, I was just trying to get him off of me.
How many times did you fall down when you were getting pushed?
At least 2 or 3.
All in the same area? They all within your tailbone?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, in that area on my like I felt on my. And I was just trying to get him off of me. I was just trying to get away from this situation. You know, he's throwing all my stuff out. He took my phone. He was trying to steal my money. Like, I was just trying to get away from this situation. That's all I was trying to do. I wasn't trying to hurt anybody. I don't want to hurt him. Even now, I don't want to hurt him. You know, and you know, this is just showing me past situations that have happened and the marks that I've had on me previously. I have pictures of that I should have called the cops then and shown then, because then there would be no question right now. And I even have people right now that will tell you what happened in those situations. That I have pictures of marks that he has put on me over and over and over again. You know, like, that I have not. I'm just trying to get, and this is just teaching me a lesson. You know, stay away from him. Like, let's not do this again. You know, there's just lesson learned. Like, clearly, it's not going to work. Like, we're not meant to be. Period. Like, end of story. Just need to get my things and go. That's what I need to do, because I have instances, I'm telling you, over. I mean, I have pictures in my phone if you would like to see them. I mean, I know it doesn't really matter right now, but, and I'm not even trying to hurt him. I just want out of the situation. I really do. That's it. I really do. I don't want to hurt anybody. I'm just trying to get out of the situation altogether. I'm not trying to hurt anybody. I don't want problems. I have places I can go, you know, and honestly, I've been planning this. It's not something new, you know, it's something I've been planning, and I need to get out of the situation because it's something, yeah.
Alright, so turn around for us and put your hands behind your back like you're praying, okay? Just like you're praying. Put your palms together. There you go. I'm going to unzip this a little bit just so...
What did I do, though?
We'll explain everything in a second.
This is not fair. I didn't do anything.
was charged with battery. Our next suspect, Laura, wasn't just a troubled wife. She turned her husband's life into a nightmare by assaulting him. As the police began their inquiry, she refused to give any statement, raising more questions and making the situation even more intense.
No, I came here to help you.
So what are you doing?
Helping you.
How?
You're under arrest
How
for
are
their
you-
investigation.
How are you helping?
On June 12th, 2023, at midnight, officers responded to a domestic violence call involving a husband and wife altercation. When the cops approached Laura and asked her about the violence, she stubbornly told them she wouldn't make any statement about it.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
What's going on?
Oh, nothing. I'm sitting in my car because this man has torn my house into shreds this evening.
So did you call us or did he call us? I think he called us.
He called you, I
Okay.
think.
So what did he call us for?
You're going to have to ask him that. I don't know.
Okay. So what's going on tonight?
Go ask him. He called you.
Yep, he's talking to him over there.
Okay,
I'm trying to talk to you
I
and
have
find out
nothing
what's
to
going on. Okay. What happened to your finger there?
What happened to my finger?
Yeah, your finger right here is all torn up.
Where?
Right there. It's all bloody.
Where? My finger's not bloody. So that's from fighting him off.
Okay. Fighting him off how?
Just leave me alone, okay? I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Leave me alone. He called you.
Okay.
I have
Well,
nothing to say.
we're investigating a crime right now.
What's the crime?
He's alleging that you were battering him and throwing stuff at him and
That's
hitting him.
incorrect. He has
Okay.
put his hands around my neck several times.
Okay. So that's what
He
I'm
has
here.
torn my house apart.
That's what
I
I'm
have
here trying to
nothing more
talk to you
say.
about.
I don't want to talk.
Okay. Is there any reason for that?
Any reason for what? He's
Not wanting to
psychotic.
talk to me about what's going on?
I don't. You all have been here several times and not helped.
I've never been here.
Doesn't matter. I don't care. They've been. Go look at your reports. You all have been here
I looked at
several
them
times.
on the way here.
Okay, so go look at them again. I have nothing to say.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
I don't.
Okay. Have a great night.
The cops spoke with the husband to find out what really happened. He described how Laura turned a simple disagreement about bed sheets into a full-blown altercation.
I woke up. She said she had chicken parmesan. And I was still laying in bed. And I got up, took a shower because I haven't been feeling good all day.
And what time did you get up or wake up?
7:30.
In the morning?
PM.
PM.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like I've been up throughout the course of the day.
But the last time you got up was at 7:30?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I heard her say that, and I kind of rolled over. I kind of got out of bed, and I know I was just drenched in sweat. And so I asked her where the new sheets were. And when I went to got out of the shower and I went to grab the sheets, which is in the third bedroom, and brought them back over. And and as soon as I started putting them on the bed, she got on top of the bed. She got on top of the bed. Fucking said, you're not gonna sleep in this bed. I paid for it because it was like through the qualify thing, and she paid the first $200 of it.
Gotcha.
So technically, yes, she has paid
towards it.
Gotcha. Yeah. As I'm trying to put the sheets on, she's just screaming at me. I said, all right, I'm done with this. We're going to take the room, take the bed. I do not care. We're done. This is and I just started slowly moving my stuff out. She's following me around the house, screaming at me that, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? That whole song and dance. And then she proceeded to start throwing things at me.
What did she throw at you?
A case of what was left of Twisted Tea, and I think an empty or a full beer can, and a vase.
Is any of that stuff still on the ground and stuff, or did things
it's mostly got cleaned. I mean, like that. It mostly got cleaned up, and then and as I went back in to try to take my TV off the wall, she's like, "You're not taking that." It's like, she's just like, "That's." I'm like, "That's my TV," and she went into the bedroom where I'm moving in all my stuff, proceeded to grab all the cords that I've already unplugged before I take it off the wall, and proceeded to open the door somewhere in the yard here, and that's when I was just like, okay. In the process, she's also screaming at me, freaking at the top of her lungs. I mean, like, I have a video of her screaming at me.
Of tonight? Her screaming at you?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you show it to me?
You said she threw something in the yard. What she threw in the yard?
You
don't have to look for it. I'm just trying to
figure out what it's just a bunch of cords. Yeah, a bunch of cords and like a fire TV.
Kind of right on the other side of your truck here.
Yeah, I don't know.
As the man recounted the event, he provided evidence to the cops that indicated how Laura had reacted during the altercation with her husband.
It was all in the heat of the moment, sir.
Okay.
But this is... I want the rest of my stuff. You didn't find it?
You know what? The grass is kind of thick.
Yeah.
Now you're getting those cops calls. Now you're getting the cops calls. Do it! What? Do it! For door.
In that video?
Yeah, she kicked the door open and busted it right off the and as she was throwing my
Okay. In that video at all, is it all black the entire way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you can just hear what you guys are saying?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. All right. So after she chucked the stuff out, what happened next?
Then that's when I called the police, called you guys, called dispatch, and then
yeah, we're good. Okay.
And then they told me to stop. I just
stay out here.
Stay away from her.
Yeah. Stuff like that.
Stay away from her as much as possible. And
okay. Does anything in your body hurt?
No.
So you don't need EMS or nothing like that?
No.
Okay. Now, when she was throwing the bottles and stuff like that,
the vase,
the
vase is still.
Did it make contact with you?
No.
Or was it just thrown in your general direction?
The debris hit me, but
the debris.
Okay. I think it was meant to hit me, but her hand-eye coordination wasn't that good. To be honest with you, sir.
Okay. Have either of you been drinking?
She had a twisted tea. I know, a cracked open twisted tea.
Okay.
But,
just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know.
Gotcha. Have you had anything?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Is there anything that you can add to your statement? Anything you want to delete? Anything you want to change?
No, sir.
Nope. Okay. This will conclude this statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang out with him. I'm gonna go talk to her.
Okay.
The cops returned to Laura, but she continued to refuse cooperation, claiming the man had mental health issues. She insisted she didn't want to be arrested and demanded the presence of the sergeant.
I'm good. Hold on.
Are you able to give me a statement about what happened here tonight?
I would prefer not to.
Okay. Why would you prefer not to?
I just don't want to.
Okay. So just to kind of clarify where we're at here, okay?
Okay.
This is domestic. This is what's considered a domestic call. And we have to investigate that as if it were a crime.
Listen, this man is bipolar.
I got you.
He has mental issues.
Which is why I want to get your statement.
I don't have one. He called you. Whatever you need to do, do it. But I'm not going to be arrested. And I would like you all to get off of my property.
Why would you get arrested?
I want you off my property.
Why would you get arrested?
I would like you off my property.
We can't do that.
I don't care. I want you off my property.
You don't run things here right now.
Excuse me?
You don't run things right now.
I do. I've called you all several times and no one has helped me.
Have I been there?
No one has helped me.
I've never even been here, man.
That's what all of you say. I've never been here. I haven't been here. I don't know how many people work at the Punta Gorda Police Department. I don't care anymore. I would like you to remove yourself from my car and get off of my property.
So you don't want to provide a statement?
No.
Okay. Can I see your hands real quick?
No. Listen,
Listen, hey, this is his mom on the phone. If you come near me and arrest me for him attacking me, I don't know what kind of has come down on you.
How do I know he attacked you? You're not wanting to provide a statement or anything.
I am not going to provide any statement to any person on the Punta Gorda Police Department. I've called you several times when this man has attacked me, and no one has helped me.
So just for clarification, we're actually Charlotte County. We're not Punta Gorda.
I'm not. No, this man has attacked me.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. I'm not going to tell you again. Get out of the car.
I would like the sergeant here right now. I want the sergeant here right now.
He was here.
He was here.
Huh?
He spoke to you.
I would like the sergeant to come over here now. I'm not getting out of my car. You're not arresting me. I've done nothing wrong. This is my home.
So,
I want the sergeant to come over here now.
He was here already.
So this is what's going to happen. You're going to come out of the car, or we're going to remove you from the car. And you'll get additional charges. So what? You want to come easy? Do you want us to pull you out? Which one do you want?
We're here.
Get away from my car.
Turn off the car and get out of the car.
Please, can I speak to the sergeant?
We're having someone come. But the outcome is still going to be the same.
I'm not. No, it's not. I have been battered in my home.
Okay.
I'm not leaving my home. This man has mental illness problems. It has been documented.
Yeah, he's the one cooperating and you're not.
Huh?
Yeah, he's the one cooperating and you're not.
How would you like me to cooperate?
By turning off the car and getting out.
Why?
Because we need you to get out.
Why?
Because we need you to get out.
For what?
We need you to get out.
For what? Explain to me why. I would like to speak to the sergeant.
Okay. That's no problem.
Don't reach in your bag.
Huh?
Don't reach in your bag.
I'm just looking for my...
Okay, we don't know that. We don't know what you're reaching for.
Well, I don't know what you're reaching for. You're standing in front of my car with...
Yeah, and we're telling you to get out and you're not getting out.
I'm a criminal. I have not done anything wrong.
Well, you're resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yeah, you are.
What crime have I committed?
Battery. That's what you committed.
I have not.
And you committed...
And now you're resisting too.
I have not. I have not committed a crime.
Okay. Well, we've given you multiple lawful orders to get out of the vehicle, and you have refused to do that.
I do not
Resisting
have
is a crime.
to get out of my vehicle. I have not committed a crime.
Okay.
I live here. This is my home.
That doesn't.
I have
What does
been
that have to do with
battered
anything?
in my own home. I will not get out of my car. I have called you all several times to help me, and you haven't.
The last thing we want to do is break that window, and
If you break my window, yeah, that's on you. You do what you have to do. I have not done anything wrong.
The officers continued to give Laura lawful orders to exit the vehicle, but she remained defiant. They warned her that they might use a canine unit to remove her, but she kept arguing and even threatened to sue.
I haven't done anything wrong. I've not done anything wrong, but been accused of something that you have done nothing to figure out if it's true or not, have you?
I have, but you don't want to. You don't want to cooperate.
Out of my car. I'm in a
You don't want to
safe
cooperate.
space. I'm scared.
You don't want.
Scared.
You don't want to cooperate.
Me.
I'm not threatening you.
You threatened to break my window out.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
I said that
Don't
if you.
make me break this window out.
Yeah, I said that because
Yes,
you
you
are
did say
resisting.
that.
You are resisting.
What crime have I committed?
I already told you, battery.
Prove it.
He has marks all over his body.
So do I.
I don't see nothing on you.
So do I.
I don't see anything on
He
you.
also has bipolar and several mental issues.
Well, he's perfectly
where he
calm.
harms himself.
He's perfectly
Don't
calm.
Do that.
He's
Don't
perfectly
do that.
calm and
Don't
cooperating.
Do that. Don't do not.
He's cooperating with
I
the
have not
investigation, and
committed
you
any
are not.
crime. Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not under arrest.
Yes,
I've
you
done
are.
Nothing wrong.
Yes, you are.
No.
I'm telling you that you're under
For what?
arrest. I'm telling you that you're under
What
arrest.
am I under
I've
arrest
already
for?
told you that. I'm not
What?
going to go.
I would like
I've
to
already
speak
told
to
you.
the sergeant now.
Regardless whether you talk to the sergeant,
I want to speak to the
outcome
sergeant.
is still going to be the same.
I want to speak to the sergeant.
I've already told you. You are under arrest, and at this point, you are resisting.
What am I under arrest for?
I've already told you.
What am I under arrest for?
I've already told you.
Is he pressing charges?
That has nothing to do with it.
Nope.
It's domestic. He doesn't have to press charges.
I want to press charges against him.
I already told you it's domestic.
I want
You
to
don't
press
have to
charges
press charges.
against him.
The state is the one that presses charges, not.
The state already took my case, and they... Listen to me. If you don't do your research right now, it's going to get really bad.
Bad
The
as in
state
what?
attorney already, when I dropped the charges against him, when he promised not to do this to me again, he was going to jail for a year because of what he did to me.
That's exactly what I just explained to you. The state is the one that prosecutes, not you.
I'm not getting out of my car. I've done nothing wrong. I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
No. I've committed no crime.
Yes,
I want
you
to speak to the sergeant.
You have committed a crime.
I want to speak to the sergeant.
We have someone coming, but like I said, you're going to be coming out of that car.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not getting out of my car.
Okay.
I am a battered woman, and if you continue to do this, I swear to God, I will press charges against the Punta Gorda Police Department. Leave me alone.
We have no way to get in.
Listen to me. Look, I'm with the canine unit. You want to get bit by a dog? Get your out of the car right now.
Emily, and you all come over to my house.
You have until I go get my dog. I'm going to break this window and you're going to get bit by a dog. You will be bit by a dog.
He has called the cops on me, and they're trying to get me out of my car and arrest me when he's attacking.
You are under arrest. You're either going to come out of the car or I'm going to get the dog and I'm going to get you out of the dog.
Attacked me and torn my house to shreds, and I will not get out of my car. And there's some canine here with a dog trying to threaten to get me out of my car. Please come over to my house right now.
Get out.
Please come get me.
Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me.
Please come get me, please. Okay. I'm not getting out of my car until my mom and my sister get here. Leave me alone.
Do you want to get bit by a dog? They're not coming near you.
I don't care. I've done nothing wrong.
You want to be bit by a dog?
I've done nothing wrong.
You want to be bit by a dog?
I have done nothing wrong.
What is your name?
I have done nothing wrong.
Then come out and talk with us.
I've done nothing
Then
wrong.
come out and talk with us.
Why are you doing this to me?
If you've done nothing wrong, what's your first name? What's your first name? What's your first name?
My name is Laura.
Laura. If you've done nothing wrong, sitting in a car with your window rolled up.
Scaring me.
I'm not trying to scare you.
Threatening me is scaring me. Stop it.
Okay. Listen. You're going to come out of the car whether you like it or not. When your family gets here, they're not coming near the car. So you can call whoever you want. There is no stop it.
Stop it.
No, you're not going to tell me what to do.
I have dealt with a psycho all night. I'm not doing it with the police department.
We're not psychos. You're the one. No, I'm not.
You're acting like one.
No, I'm not.
I've had a man beat out of me tonight, and you're standing at my window doing the same thing he did.
Okay, then come out here and talk to us.
No.
Okay.
After several unsuccessful attempts to get Laura out of the vehicle, officers spoke with her mother, who was able to convince Laura to finally step out. The officers then detained her and informed her of the legal proceedings.
We have given you multiple lawful orders to get out of the vehicle as well, so now you're getting a resisting charge as well. So regardless of what happens today...
I haven't done anything wrong! Please do not touch me. Please do not touch
Come on
me. Out. I would like to go stand with my sister and my mom.
Right now you're going to be placed under arrest.
For what?
Let it go. Let it go.
Why are you arresting me?
We're going to allow you to talk to your mom. I would just talk to your mom.
Why are you arresting me?
They will explain to you. They've already explained to you several times. Just relax. Relax.
What? I want to speak to the sergeant. Why are you arresting me?
Are you going to stop yelling at me or not? Because if you're going to keep yelling at me, then I'm not going to talk to you. And none of us are going to talk to you. Because we don't have to. Are you going to stop yelling at me? I've never met you before, and I'll speak cordially to you, but if you don't show me respect, I'm not going to show you respect.
Please take the handcuffs off of me.
They're not coming off you.
This is absolutely ridiculous.
They're not coming off you.
It's not okay.
Listen, are you going to listen to me or not?
It's not okay.
Are you going to listen to me
I will listen to you.
Okay. Do you want to speak to your mom and your sister?
Yes, please.
Okay, then what I need you to...
Can you give my purse to my mom, and can you pick that up and give it to my mom?
Listen,
if you want to speak to your mom and your sister, we don't have to allow you to do that. We can tell your mom and sister to leave. You're an adult. They have no business being here, actually, 100%. We can tell them to leave.
I've asked them to come for my protection.
It doesn't matter what you've asked
I've been battered in my home.
Okay, then why didn't you get out and give that statement?
Because you guys are being very threatening, and you're arresting me, and you're not listening to me.
No, before that. When they asked you
You're not listening to me.
Okay. You're not listening to me. Before they...
You're here to serve me.
I'm not here to.
I called you to help me.
Okay.
You didn't call me to help you.
So allow me to do that.
You didn't call me to help you. Did I come to help you?
Are you going to allow me to do that?
Did I come here to help you?
Answer my question.
Did I come here to help you?
No, I came here to help you.
So what are you doing?
Helping you.
How?
You're under arrest for their investigation.
How are you helping me?
Are you going to listen to me or not?
How are you helping me?
Let's go. Do you want to talk to your mom or
Can
sister?
you please pick my purse up and give it to my mom? Can I speak to the sergeant, please?
It's right there.
Can I please speak to you? Listen, I need you to understand that I have done nothing in my home tonight. I have not hurt this man. I have not touched this man. I have not done anything. I live here. I have been attacked repeatedly. For you all to be arresting me is an injustice, and I do not think this is okay.
Okay. Well, when we first got here, ma'am, you initially had spoken to me.
I am very scared. I have been scared. I have been attacked.
I'm trying to talk. You're asking me a question. I'm trying to answer your question with your concerns. When we first got here on scene, you would not exit the vehicle. You would not give a statement.
I was scared, and I am scared, and I'm
sorry
still
you were scared, but you got to understand that when I was talking with you, I was very polite. I was very professional, and I was trying to explain to you that I was trying to help you. No, ma'am, you were not. But when we come to these types of scenes and people have injuries, you have injuries, he has injuries, hear me out. I'm explaining to you. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to explain to you and answer your question. When there's injuries, people are involved in a domestic situation that became physical, we are now required by Florida state statute and by law in our profession to act so that there's no propensity for future violence. We're required to do that.
I understand
So
that.
because of that, we then start interviewing and talking to people. Multiple times you were asked what was going on. You said whatever he said happened, and I kept trying to get more information from you just for that reason. I even said on body.
Because I don't want this. I've already had to. The state of Florida pressed charges against him, and I've already had to go through this so many times.
I'm not saying you didn't, and I'm sorry you had to go through that. I truly am. But at the end of the day, once the deputies do an investigation, they determine a primary aggressor, they determine charges. We are where we are. I've not reviewed this. I wasn't here. I had to go to another call all the way across the county a second ago. That's why I left. But I'm glad you did the right thing by exiting the vehicle, because at the end of the day, if you did nothing wrong like you said, you have every right in the world to get an attorney and to fight that and to argue that point, and that can come out later. But as of right now tonight, where we are with this investigation, the evidence that they've obtained and where they're at, they have charges for you. I wasn't here through all those steps, so I can't talk on something I don't know of yet. I don't know the totality of all of it. But I know going into it,
I hope you're happy. I hope this is what you wanted.
Don't talk to him. Don't cause a disturbance. That'll make this worse.
After being arrested, Laura accused the officers of using tricks to involve her mother and get her out of the vehicle. She was placed in the cruiser, visibly distressed, but her mother managed to calm her down.
This is where you want to listen. Are you listening or not?
Yep.
Okay. I promised your mom that if you came out of the car peacefully, that's what we wanted to end this, is peacefully, I'd allow her to talk to you. Now, the only way that's going to happen is through this back window, okay? Now, I want you to hear me out. Are you listening to me? Because this is beyond all this. This is me doing you a favor. You know, the guy that you said was being mean to you, this is me doing a favor, because we don't have to do this. But I'm granting this to you and your mom. Do you understand? Yes or no? I don't have to do this.
It's okay. It's okay.
No.
I do not.
You don't want to talk to your mom?
I do not expect any favors.
No.
And I do not want any favors. Okay.
No. It's more of a courtesy.
I don't want a courtesy.
Listen to me.
It's okay.
Laura, look at me.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's a courtesy because you came out of the vehicle peacefully.
Listen. It's okay.
So because you came out
I've never
peaceful,
not been peaceful.
Okay.
I've never not been peaceful.
Would you like to talk to your mom or not?
Yep.
Okay. The only way that's going to happen is we're going to put you in here.
I don't care. Like, just if you're going to let me talk to my mom, stop treating me like I've done something wrong.
If you keep interrupting me, I'm not going to let you talk to your mom.
I don't care.
Okay, then you're not going to talk to me.
I don't care.
You want to hand me that, babe?
No, I'm going to put it in my purse. Thank you.
Do you have anything on you or in you that's going to be an extra charge if you go to the jail?
You're going to go through a body scanner?
That's all us that.
I have my medication on me that's in there.
Yeah, if it's in your person, it's prescribed medication, that's fine. I'm talking about like on your person.
Oh, no.
Drugs, guns, knives.
No.
Do you have anything in your pockets at all?
No, I don't have pockets.
No pockets at all?
Okay. We tell every single person that goes to the jail this. It's not specific for just you. It's everyone. All right, that side. That's her vape that goes with it. Double off?
Okay. Can I have my purse, please?
It'll go with you to the jail up there, or back here. Do you want to talk to your mom now?
Can I please talk to my mom?
He's gonna drive up there and allow you to talk to your mom with this window's gonna be rolled down. The second you get rude or yell and scream, windows
I'm
roll
not
up.
being rude.
Okay, that's all I was gonna say.
I'm just
okay.
gonna.
Okay.
Please let me talk to my mom.
We're gonna take you up there and let you talk to your mom.
Can you guys please come down and bail me out for this? This is absolutely insanity. I know. I know.
Or do you realize that what I accomplished by coming over here are a couple of very important things already. Number one, they didn't have to break into your car.
I know.
Number two,
I know.
Now listen to me.
I know.
Be calm.
I know.
They didn't send the dog in after you. Do you understand what it's like to have a canine dog in a car with a person? Laura, please be calm. You have to go before the judge tomorrow. You will be arraigned tomorrow. Call me after that. There's not anything I can do tonight that I haven't already done. I came over. Your car wasn't broken into. You avoided some charges because you came out peacefully without fighting, and the dog didn't go in. Keep
This
telling
is
yourself
absolutely insane.
it's not as, but it could have been much worse, Laura. Now, what did I ask you to do today? I asked you to come meet me for ice cream. Laura, you understand, had you come to be with me, none of this would have happened at all.
Listen.
Laura.
Listen. He is bipolar. There is nothing that makes this not happen.
I understand.
This has happened over and over and over again.
Laura was charged with resisting and battery. In this case, Jessica, the jealous wife, brought the police into a love triangle, only to find herself in serious trouble. Her aggression escalated to such an extent that she faced multiple serious charges for her crimes.
Please. Stop, sir. I can't walk. Lord, Wesley White.
On March 22, 2023, officers responded to a residence in Bryan County after receiving a report of a woman assaulting her family members and preventing them from leaving, following the discovery that her husband had an affair. As the police arrived, the family members reported Jessica's actions. When they encountered her, Jessica admitted to being out of control due to her husband's affair.
What's going on? So good.
Okay, you're on scene now. She's completely out of control.
Okay.
She won't let us leave the house. She's assaulted both of us. She's just, it is completely out of control.
Okay.
She was stopped earlier by one of your officers.
Mm-hmm.
You remember that? We decided to respond.
No, sir. He briefed us on it.
And she is completely, and she's just, we sat here for over 2 hours, and she ran it, she is completely out of control. And then we said we were done, we were getting ready to leave. She shoved us, she wouldn't let us out the door, and that's when we called her.
She probably went into this back room is her bedroom.
Okay.
The door shut.
Okay. What's her name?
Jessica Marie Sherman. Her main name is O'Neill.
That's fine. Miss Jessica? Miss Jessica? Okay. Miss Jessica?
Yes?
What's going on? What's going on today?
Hey there.
Hey, how are you?
Who am I?
I said, how are you?
I'm not good.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm out of control. I'm out of control.
That's what they say.
I know.
I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to get yours out. What's going on?
Can you please don't come in my room yet until you arrest me?
Oh, okay. Am I in your room?
Stay there, please.
Oh.
Don't come in on my carpet.
Okay, what's going on?
I've been out of control for 2 months because my husband had an affair and I'm out of control. And I want a divorce. We both want a divorce, like next week, if it's possible. And they're fighting. And I pushed my husband. I pushed the other guy, and I didn't let him leave the front door because I want some closure on my marriage before we get a divorce. And I want to win this with his son, and then I just want to go away. And I'm hot, and I need a cigarette. Okay. Can we go talk in the garage so I can smoke?
Yeah,
all right.
Sure.
Please, we keep at least 4 feet or 3 feet away from me.
I don't know how to get to your garage, so I just gotta.
Right there.
Okay. I'll let you go first.
Can you back up a little bit, please? Where's my husband?
He should be out front.
Okay, so I want him to hear everything I have to say to you.
Okay, well that's not how that works.
Oh, okay. I've never been in this situation.
Yeah, no, he's talking to my partner, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's talking to him, and then you're talking to me, type of thing. Okay.
I've never been through this before. I've never had to. I don't even know why you're here.
So
they want to 10-13 me because I'm out of control.
So I'm assuming that's what they're saying is you're out of control.
Yeah. Oh, I am full right. Okay.
It's fine. Just I could care less. Okay.
So yeah, I'm out of control. I mean.
But that's what they're saying.
I know I am out of control, officer. I'm Jessica, out of control. I'm out of control. At my house.
Let me get your side of the story. What happened?
Oh, so the past 2 months, well, probably longer than that, they've been arguing back and forth. Today, at least what happened was my father and I left the house because she asked for the house to be alone for like an hour or two, so we went, ran some errands. She got pulled over here while we were leaving. We came back, we started having a conversation about like, you know, what's this divorce gonna look like, all that. I recorded every last second of it, and it's just been her ranting and raving, and then we're like, okay, we're done with this conversation, and then she just physically stopped us, and then she said that she was gonna beat our ass. But,
was that like the push and everything, or the stop on video and all that too?
Unfortunately,
just audio?
No, just the audio.
I got you.
The officers tried to understand the situation, noting the physical altercation, threats, and Jessica's ongoing emotional distress. They assessed that she might need a medical evaluation due to a panic attack.
Under a lot of stress finding out, you know, what happened. So, can understand that, definitely.
So what's up?
Well, I just kind of got to get the story.
Oh yeah, I'm out of control, and then they, like, I've wasted, you know, I've talked steadily for the last 3 hours. Can you tell? My hurts. So, I am out of control, officer. I'm not on any drug. And when I don't know what else to tell you. Can you tell? I'm just stressed.
Yeah, I can see that you're stressed, and I can understand that.
So they are threatened because I didn't let them leave. I walked through the front door and I stopped him and I pushed him back because I didn't want him to leave because I just want 10 more minutes of their time to close. I need closure. I need closure as a woman, as a human being.
I can understand that.
Closure. Yeah. So I want to smoke a cigarette right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
And I want 10 minutes more of their time to wrap our marriage up, and then I want them to leave the house to go dinner.
Which one, and I don't mean this rude, which one's your husband? The younger one? The older one?
Disabled older one.
Okay.
That's my we've been together for 6 years.
And the other one?
I just found out about his girlfriend 2 months ago. I'm out of control, sir. You might be threatened.
So what's the solution for tonight then?
I just want to smoke a cigarette.
Okay.
I quit 5 years ago after my husband cheating.
I got you. I can understand that. Like I said, I understand.
All I want is to smoke a cigarette and calm myself down as best I can. And I want 10 minutes of my husband and my stepson's time. And then I want him to leave the house and go have dinner with the rest of their family. And I want to go in my bedroom and listen to music and close the door and lock it, okay? That's what I want in the next 20 minutes, okay? Do you want to be present for it all? I mean, what do you want from me? I have no ill intention. I'm a convicted felon. I've done my time, and I'm a free woman. I'm married to that old man, and here I am. What? You want my license? The cops already pulled me over today because I was driving erratically, trying to get home because I was having a panic attack, and I was sat forever. The EMS is called 9 a.m. a day, or whatever. And here we are.
All right, just hang out, okay?
Okay.
So what's
wait, sir.
Yeah.
I don't want my husband to leave our home until I can say what I want to say to get closure and have like 10 minutes of but I want his son present or you guys present because I want witnesses because I don't want to hurt anybody. I did push them and I didn't let either of them walk out the house, the front door, and they both feel very threatened by me. And my husband's disabled, so he's off balance. And
just give me a few minutes and we'll get it all worked out.
I don't want my husband to leave until I can wrap this up.
Over there?
Is he in the house or out of the house?
He's on the porch. I told you that. He's on front.
Lawrence, stop, please, sir. Lawrence.
Okay, that's not how that works, okay?
Okay. Can you go tell him? Got my point now. He's asking for him for his credentials. He's retired law enforcement. Okay. And then his son works for the CIA or whatever.
Okay.
And also, or he does computers or something for government, and I'm gonna go to my bedroom. My feet are hurting. I want to get off my feet and.
All right, just sit in your chair in the garage.
I'll leave the door, that door
No,
wide open.
no, you can sit in the chair in the garage, okay?
Okay, can you go tell them? Can I ask? Say one thing out loud.
Yeah.
To him.
If he wants to talk to you.
Hey, Lawrence, the cop said. Can you see me? But where's Wesley? Hey, Wesley, can I see your face? Who, in the end, really blew this out of proportion? Who's out of control?
Okay, we don't need to do that.
Me
Okay?
or Wesley or you? Who called 911?
We don't need to do all that, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Just have a seat in the chair.
I am in pain, I'm tired, I'm hurt, I'm heartbroken, I have to divorce my husband. Can you please hurry up because I want to get my
Have a
feet
seat
up.
in the chair.
I will sit and I'll cooperate,
Okay?
but please.
I've had enough of you trying to tell me what I'm gonna do.
I don't know what you're going to do. I'm not
So
responsible
sit down.
for you. Okay, please, be fast. I want to go to bed.
As officers prepared to arrest her, Jessica admitted to pushing her husband, but insisted she didn't want to hurt him, just prevent him from leaving. She struggled with the officers trying to avoid arrest.
However, I haven't hurt anybody, and I want to go to take a nap, and I haven't hurt any. I will refuse to be wherever you go and take me. I haven't done anything to anybody.
All right.
Well, I pushed him out with my husband.
Look here. You can either walk over here and sit in this gentleman's patrol car, or we're going to put you in handcuffs and walk you over there and put you in the patrol car.
Okay, so what would be my charge if I went to jail?
Battery FBA.
And false imprisonment.
For what?
Because you pushed them.
I pushed, and that's a simple battery charge?
Yes, ma'am.
By pushing my husband in foot behind his tall, strong son?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the proof of that?
You.
Well, I told you, I did. Yeah.
Exactly.
I pushed him. I wouldn't let him walk out the front door. I stood like this, and they tried to go, and I said no, and I went, don't. I pushed him a little bit. Not hard, because my husband's disabled. Have you seen him walk?
Yes, ma'am. I've seen
Right,
them all.
so I know never to push my husband, because he would fall over. He has bad balance. I just want 10 I wanted to smoke.
Well, they can talk to you over there.
Where?
At the patrol car.
13?
At the patrol car.
Or the sheriff's department.
At the patrol
and I'm
car.
going to be charged a simple battery. I was sitting down, sir, when you walked up to me in my garage in this state.
Ma'am.
Sir, I haven't done
We're
anything.
past this.
Make sure that
No, wait.
correct help.
No, I will give you.
We're done.
No, Lord, look. Stop. I will surrender. I will surrender.
Get tased.
I will surrender.
Stop.
I will let go. I will surrender.
About to get tased. Come on, let's go.
I will wait.
Let go of the door. You about to get tased. Let go of the door. Let's go. Come on out.
Wait.
Come on out.
Wait.
Come.
I'm not arresting. I will surrender. I will surrender. Stop. Okay.
Let go of the door. Let's go.
Ow.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Stop.
Get your hands behind your back. We're done.
Why?
Let's go.
Hold on.
Because you don't know how to listen.
Stop, please. Let me breathe. Sorry. Wait, one moment, please. Please don't tase me, sir. Please don't tase me.
Then cooperate.
Okay, I'll cooperate. Okay, I will cooperate.
Give him your hand.
Okay.
Right now.
Both of them.
No,
right now.
Pulling away is not what we're telling you to do.
You're going to get it again. Give him your hand.
Stop.
I didn't know where you
pulling
want my
away.
hand. Okay, sir, please no, please.
Jessica, stop.
Why are you guys doing this?
Stop.
Why are you doing this? Please, sir, I haven't.
I've had enough of this.
Stop it.
Just stop.
You're going to get it again. Give him your hand.
After the confrontation, Jessica worsened the situation, expressing deep concern about how her arrest would affect her personal life.
Please wait, please.
No,
wait.
knock it off.
Oh my God.
So she's 1095 now.
No, wait, what's that?
You're going to jail.
For what? For
obstruction, false imprisonment, simple battery, walk.
Wait, please
Come on.
wait.
Let's go.
Stop, please. Can I
Let's
just
go.
stand for 1 moment? Can I have 1 moment?
Let's go.
Lawrence.
Let's go. Stop. Let's go.
Please stop.
Let's
Can
go.
I please walk out slowly with my neighbors? Please, can you just, please?
No, you had
my
your chance to
neighbors.
walk. Let's go.
Please. Oh, please.
You okay?
Please don't arrest me.
You had your chance to
Please,
walk.
I haven't hurt anybody. Please.
Let's go.
stop, sir. I can't walk. Lawrence, Wesley, why are you doing this? Seriously, are you that beat up bad? Lawrence, my husband.
Let's go.
Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up.
Right now. I don't have the energy. Can you give me a moment?
No.
I don't have the energy to
Stand up.
Let's go.
Give me a breather, please. Yes.
Let's go. Walk.
Let me stand up.
Walk.
Please give me a moment before you put me in the car, please.
Come on. Walk.
Please, sir, please. Lawrence, please, Wesley, please. Please stop. Drop the charge. Yes, drop the.
Let's go, Jessica.
Oh, God. Hold me up. Hold on. Lawrence, help me. Lawrence, help me. Drop the.
Sit down.
Oh. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take your hand out of your handcuff, okay?
Okay.
But you got to be nice to us, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We've been nice to you all day.
Okay, yes, sir.
Hey, do you have any major medical problems?
No, sir.
Diabetic?
Yes, I'm diabetic. Yes.
You're diabetic?
Yes, sir.
Any heart problems?
No, sir.
No high blood pressure?
No, sir.
Okay.
You good?
Can you please leave the door open?
Yep. He's about to leave to take you. Okay?
For what? Simple battery?
Yes, ma'am. Obstruction, and you can put your hands right there in the front, okay? Just put them together like you're praying, right?
Hang on, you me
it's the easiest way to...
Let me check your blood sugar right quick. Make sure
Go ahead. He's gonna check your blood sugar.
You okay with me checking your blood sugar real quick?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so when my charges are what? Simple battery and obstruction of justice or something. Sir, what are my charges?
He's right there.
I can't see him. Can you back up a little? What's my charges?
Okay, are you refusing to let
No,
me
I'm sorry.
Just let him do your thing real quick.
I'll get done real quick and then you...
Sir.
I'll tell you in just a second, okay?
203.
Sir, Mr. Taylor.
Yes.
What are my charges? Can you please... Why do you have to...
Why do I have to what? I gotta put your handcuffs back on. If you're riding in our car, we have to have you in handcuffs, okay? I'm gonna be as gentle as I can, alright?
Can you please just give me a moment and don't close the door?
Yeah. Put your hands down. The charges are false imprisonment because you held him from keeping from leaving. Simple battery. Yep. Simple battery, and then the obstruction. All right.
A battery on them or him?
Yep.
For what do? Wow.
Because you pushed him.
I pushed him out of the door. I imprisoned him in our house.
Yep. You wouldn't let him leave.
Because I just wanted to.
Sometimes it's better to let people leave, though.
I know, but I just wanted.
Y'all are going through a crazy situation right now.
Sir, he's not hurt. I guess I pushed him a little bit, and I didn't want him to leave me alone. I'm out of control. I needed my husband, and I didn't let him leave the door. And then I obstructed you guys from arresting me.
Yep.
Are you serious? Are those misdemeanors or felonies?
I believe they're all misdemeanors.
Give me a phone number one more time.
585.
Stop yelling at him. He's asking you a simple question.
I'm sorry. 7. Please, sir, please.
You have to
Please, no, please don't charge me, sir. Please don't charge. Stop. Can you drop the charges, please?
No.
Please.
Put your arms in the car.
Lawrence, help me, please. Please don't arrest me, sir. Please don't arrest me.
Jessica was charged with false imprisonment, simple battery, family violence, simple battery against a person 65 years or older or pregnant at the time of the offense, and obstruction of law enforcement officers. While Jessica's anger led her to push her husband, our next suspect took a darker turn, shoving his girlfriend to the ground after spotting a flower from her ex. But as the cops inquired about the events, they uncovered more than they expected, revealing a web of surprising secrets about him.
I came in the house, I seen the flowers, I was like, who's the flowers? Your baby daddy's flowers. So she was like, I said, why'd you accept them?
On September 2nd, 2024, at midnight, police responded to an unverified 911 call from a female who provided an address and mentioned being involved in a scuffle before the call abruptly disconnected. As the cops arrived, the woman described how her boyfriend tried to control the situation. The struggle intensified when he grabbed her shirt and threw her to the ground.
Okay, who's that to you?
He's basically my boyfriend.
Grab your eye.
Him.
Grab your eye.
Just probably scratched.
How you scratched?
We just kind of had like a disagreement.
Did he punch you? Did he what?
He didn't punch me. Yeah.
So did you get scratched? You scratched yourself?
I don't even know how I got scratched.
Alright, so here's what happened, right? You call 911. Did you give the address?
Yeah.
On a quarter line, right? You call back several times, voicemail. Alright, so what is going on with you?
I just want him out of my house. He basically...
Does he live here?
No.
Okay. Does he have property in here?
I mean, the stuff he brought today.
How long has he been staying here?
No, he doesn't stay here.
How long have you been spending the nights?
He doesn't really spend the night very often. I mean, he just came tonight.
Alright. What happened to your eye?
He had me by the shirt. And I don't know. I don't really know how it happened, but I just know
how do you have it by the
that
shirt? You step past that. You just give me half stories. You're protecting him.
Because I don't want him to go to jail. Like, I just wanted him out of my house.
Okay. What happened? The physical aspect, that portion. What led up to that? Just tell him we can't change this.
Just him trying to, like, he didn't punch me in the face or anything. He was just trying to, like, continue.
Why are you trying to contain him?
Because he's, like, pushed me on the ground.
Okay.
Like, he pushed me on the ground, grabbed me up, and then he's trying to contain me because now I'm swinging on him because why did he push me down?
Okay. So, how about a full story? How about that? How about a full, detailed story about that aspect? Alright? Let's go right here.
The boyfriend explained to the cops that his actions were in self-defense, but his story ultimately led to his detention. The interrogation wrapped up with officers questioning his account of events.
Tell you, I just told her that she had my baby daddy flowers, and
your baby daddy?
I mean, her baby. Man, look, it's a long.
I know.
I don't work a lot. You know what I'm saying?
I understand.
I'm leaving. I'm gonna give her her phone.
Where's the phone at?
It's in her car. That's why I was asking him to walk with me to go get the phone.
Okay, no problem. All right, let's hold off on that. All right, so just briefly run down what happened. All right.
You just told me you want to talk to her. I guess.
I did talk to her.
Okay, I just came here. She called me over. I was coming over to spend the night because the kids aren't here. I came in the house. I seen the flowers. I was like, "Who's the flowers? Your baby daddy's flowers." So she was like, "I said, why'd you accept them?" She was like, "Well, I accepted them because he apologized." And I said, "Well, I don't like that he in here because if you're with me, you're with me."
Understood.
Yeah, and then I threw him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, where they at?
On the first floor.
Okay.
I just threw him out over the balcony.
All right, no problem. So what happened once you called 911 and all that stuff?
What do you mean? I ain't calling 911.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
All right. What's on your shirt?
What do you mean what's on my shirt? This is...
Actually.
What?
Hold on.
Katie! What's going on? Are you pressing charges? Okay, then so why don't you
Stop talking to her. Stop talking to her.
Katie!
Stop talking to her.
Katie!
I'm gonna tell you right now, one time, stop talking to her, or we will go to jail.
Okay, fair enough.
All right?
All right. So I'm not detained?
You are detained.
You said that, I'm going to go to jail.
No, what I said was...
You're in custody, but you're not.
Okay, so I'm not arrested?
No.
Okay.
Not yet. All right?
But so am I getting arrested? You just said
detained. Detained, all right?
I know, it's just scary right now.
All right.
Why? Because it's like, I ain't used to having handcuffs on.
What? All right, turn me up. All right. You have the right, huh? All right, give me a second. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand? You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and do any questions. You understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and do any questioning. You understand? Any statement can and may be used against you in court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand? If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
The man was charged with battery, false imprisonment, and robbery-related offenses. Now, meet Shara, who called the cops, sending her boyfriend to jail while portraying herself as the victim. But when the police arrived, the scene wasn't as clear as she'd hoped. There was no obvious aggressor or victim. As the officers pieced things together, Shara's web of lies came crashing down, turning the tables on her.
I asked him for my wouldn't give me my and
now when you say
are you talking about? Your
my keys, my wallet, my phone. He wouldn't give me any of that back.
Okay.
On September 30th, 2023 at midnight, officers were dispatched to a residence after receiving a 911 call reporting a physical altercation. Upon arrival, police found a nervous man with visible scratches, scattered vehicle parts, and personal belongings. They spoke with him to uncover what had really happened.
What happened here? Okay, hey, relax.
Thank you.
Relax. Just take a deep breath. Sit on that concrete block right there.
I'm right here. I'm not going
Sit down on the concrete block. You're fine.
Just relax. Have a seat.
What's going on, dude?
I just tried to find my keys. They were in her car.
Okay, well, what happened? Why is everything all torn apart?
She's lying, bro.
Oh, okay.
I did this after the fact. She lied and said she was gonna call the police. Man.
Okay.
I swear to God.
So what happened?
Look, this is the out of my phone. She said she threw it on 776.
Okay.
This is what I found in her car.
Okay.
She said she threw my on 776, my keys and my phone.
Okay.
I swear on everything I love.
Okay.
My truck is right there.
Okay. So do you have an ID on you? What? That's for your ID.
I'm trying to talk to you like a human being. 100%. And I'm with her.
Okay.
I'm not with the dumb.
Okay. I'm
this
asking.
is the I found out of her car.
Okay. Where's your ID at?
In my phone. What she threw on 776.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Okay.
That's why I'm not. That's why I'm still here.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. Won't happen again.
Just take a seat, dude. Take a seat in the car.
I can't even. It's not my car.
Yeah.
And this is what she's been this whole time. That's why she called y'all.
Okay.
She's.
Did you ever become physical between you guys?
No, I never touched her once. I never touched her.
You guys boyfriend, girlfriend? What are you?
No.
Friends with benefits? What are you?
We've been friends for. If I have my phone, I will show you. I'm not trying to touch my phone, though. My phone. But again, this is what I found in her car.
Okay.
Which is out of my phone, wallet.
Okay.
And Mama's here. The kids are here. Everybody's here. I'm not saying.
You guys have kids in common?
Please don't. Trying to misunderstand me.
I just asked a question.
She's gonna lie to you.
Okay.
All right. I got upset and I did all this. Yes.
Okay.
I threw some stuff out in the wall just because I don't have my phone and my keys to go home.
Okay.
That's what I did. Yes, I was petty.
Okay.
I was upset. I never touched her. Never physically saw her. Never did anything.
She ever touched you?
As the cops continued questioning, the man pointed out a scratch on his face, but insisted he didn't need EMS.
Do you see this right here?
Oh, you got a scratch?
You see that? Okay. But again,
You don't need EMS?
I don't want.
Don't touch me. Relax, dude. Are you drunk?
No.
You been drinking tonight?
I'm just upset because you see what's going on.
Do you need EMS? Listen, do you need
Not
EMS?
at all.
Okay. Does she need EMS? What happened to her head?
She's lying, bro. But I need EMS too. I need EMS.
For what?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, listen, we're not gonna.
I'm not trying to be like that.
You
bro.
got a scratch on your face, dude.
You see that? Though.
I see it.
I don't want to lie and act like anything. I don't want to, bro. But if I'm a white female, I'm gonna act like that.
Here we go.
Thank you. But that's what I'm saying. Do you see what I'm saying?
I see, dude. I got you. I understand. Do you have anything on you with your name on it?
She took my phone.
Okay. Where's your? Okay.
She said she threw it on 7. She literally said she threw it on 776.
I got that. Where did this happen at?
Right here. At the
She scratched you? That's where she scratched you? Hit you in the face?
Right here.
Okay. Okay, so come over here by my car real quick. Come on.
Bro.
You're good.
I'm good with it. I'm good with it.
You got anything in your pockets, dude?
No, I'm good,
All right,
bro.
come on. You're good, man.
I want to smoke too.
All right.
If I smoke, I don't got my keys to get into smoke nothing, bro.
All right, come over here.
Bullshit, bro. I was upset, so yes. Because I couldn't find where my keys at.
All right. I don't know that. Right here. Come here. Put your hands on the car.
You're gonna arrest me?
No, I didn't say that. I just said put your hands on the car.
I'm asking.
No, I didn't say that. I'm just gonna check your pockets. Make sure you ain't got nothing on you.
I'm good, bro. I'll show you my pockets. I didn't need that checking.
Okay. Well, let me see what's in your pockets.
Nothing on there.
Turn them inside out. You ain't got no guns on you, no bazookas, no hand grenades, IEDs, anything cool like that.
Where the guns are gonna be hiding at?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
Where they gonna be hiding?
So you guys got into an argument tonight, right? You said, is that truck registered to you?
You can check the license plate. You only got to ask me.
219
I ain't trying to be, I ain't trying to be no certain way, but saying.
We don't need everybody here.
I'm trying to throw her. So whatever you want me to do. Whatever you want me to do.
What's your name, dude?
Whatever you want me to do.
What's your name? Get up there if she's out of control.
Girlfriend or friend?
Girlfriend?
No.
You guys
never.
The officer spoke with Shara to match her story with the man's statement, but inconsistencies quickly surfaced. As her story fell apart, the cops took her into EMS.
Okay, what's up with this knife over here?
It was to defend myself because when he came in the house, he was throwing up the chairs and he was throwing up the couch.
Okay, so why? So you grabbed this knife to defend yourself?
Yeah.
Is that how your finger got cut?
Probably. I asked him for my keys. He wouldn't give me my keys.
Okay.
So I got in his car.
Okay, let's back up a little bit. How did this happen tonight?
It was just arguing on the way home from my sister's house.
Okay, why are you over there with him?
He's a friend of my sister's. He rode over there with us because she's having Sunday dinner tomorrow night, and we were supposed to come over and help her start getting stuff ready for dinner and cleaning the house.
So you went with your sister's friend over to your sister's house?
Yeah, he's over here a lot.
Okay. What happened on the way back?
We just started arguing because he was driving erratically, and it scared me. It scared me a lot, and I asked him to stop, and he kept going, well, did I you? Did I you? And I said, no, but I don't like it. Please stop. And then when we stopped at Circle K, he drove off and left me.
Okay, and then how did you both end up back here then?
Because I started walking home. He had my son in the car. He dropped my son off.
You dropped him off where?
Here. And then he came back, and I was like halfway home.
Okay.
And then when we got here, he wouldn't give me my keys. He wouldn't give me my phone. I don't know where anything is. He started going through my wallet, so I got in his car.
And you're telling me that you guys are just friends. You guys aren't dating or
no,
nothing like that.
We had like once 3 months ago, and he's been trying ever since.
Okay, so is it fair to say you guys have been talking?
No, not even that. We decided months ago that wasn't going to happen.
Okay. Well, I say that because he's driving you and your children around.
I know.
Okay.
He's just here. He's been a friend of the family for a long time.
Okay, so what happened when he drove you back to the house here?
Just pretty much that. I asked him for my wouldn't give me my and
now when you say are you talking about your...
My keys, my wallet, my phone, he wouldn't give me any of that back.
Okay. Do you let him use that car?
Sometimes, yeah, because his truck was broken, so yeah, I was letting him use it for a while.
Okay.
But not tonight. I just told him I wanted my stuff back and he could go because I didn't want to do that ever again. Like, he scared the shit out of me driving back here.
Okay, and how did this turn physical?
Because he started taking my car apart because he can't find his keys.
Okay, and what did you do in response to that?
I went and got the knife because he was throwing over chairs and he was throwing everything else. I got the knife and...
But he wasn't attacking you. He was taking stuff out of your car, so you got the knife?
No. He was attacking me in the chair, and when I got up out of the chair, I got away from him, got the knife, and told him to stay away from me, and that's when he came and he started taking the car.
Okay. We're going to have EMS check you out, alright? And then we're going to talk some more, alright? You said it on the top of your head?
Yeah.
Move your hand. Move your hand, please. Okay. We're going to have EMS check you out in here just a second, alright?
Okay. They're 17 and 14. But it doesn't matter because whatever he told my son on the way over here, my son was trying to yell at me too.
They're inside?
Yeah, but my son's autistic, so he doesn't...
Okay.
No, just the 14-year-old.
Is there anybody else inside?
Yeah, everybody's inside. My brother-in-law, Bones, is inside. My mom's inside.
I'm going to go if you want to...
Yeah, if you want to go out and talk to him real quick.
There's a big bump in the back of their head. Like right here. The concrete floor. Did you pass out? No, I don't think so.
What happened?
He slammed me in the concrete when I tried to get him out of my car.
You want to go get evaluated at the hospital?
Not particularly.
Okay. Well, can we take some vital signs on you?
What's the on your hand from?
I don't know.
Light pack.
Got a little bit of there.
Did you get hit anywhere else?
So you hurt?
I don't know. That's all I can feel in my head.
The cops engaged with the man again, and he claimed that Shara was manipulating the situation, using her knowledge of the police system to her advantage.
I didn't do anything with her. Nothing. she decided to do that. I was like, I was like, how am I going to throw my keys out?
I understand. So, tell me what happened tonight.
She literally threatened me with the police, saying, who do you think that they're going to believe?
Well, why would she? Did she just threaten you, or what?
She works for mortuary transport.
Okay.
So I guess she works with the police.
So
I guess she, again, we'll talk and I'll tell you what happened. I'll tell you why she thinks that and why all this is happening.
Yeah.
She expects that, I guess you guys are close friends or, you know what I mean, kin or whatever the hell, know each other, so she can say X, Y, Z, and then she gets a reaction from y'all. Y'all do what y'all supposed to do. Arrest a black man that's obviously the one that's the wrongdoing. And I didn't do anything. I got my face in that. So she can tell a story. And she gets, again, I didn't know the hand. You see my cases, you see my charges and all that, it's not over. Putting hands on woman.
Okay.
That's where I'm at. I don't put hands on women to do anything.
Okay.
That's not me, bro. I don't need to put hands on a woman to do that. Again, this is what I found in her car. And this is my in my phone, wallet, and my, you feel me?
Okay.
So this fell out on her passenger seat, and she said, I do your so I'm like, okay, so I'm looking, people in here, I'm looking for my phone, looking for my keys. What's going on? Where is it at? Oh, I threw it on 776. I'm gonna call the police. They're gonna woo woo woo, and they're gonna arrest you, and they're gonna do this. I'm like, I didn't do anything but ask you to live.
What led up to the point of her asking you or telling you? Hang on.
Yes, sir.
Remember, I let you talk. Now you're gonna let me talk.
Yes, sir.
All right. What led up to the point of her telling you that she was going to call the police and they were going to side with her? What transpired for her to tell you that?
You want me to say it, or you want to understand it?
So hang on.
I'm kind of being rhetorical, but
no. So let me explain something. Hang on. Let me explain something real quick to you. Okay. I'm gonna be real frank and real honest with you. Okay?
And I appreciate it.
I understand that, but let me explain something real quick. Okay. I'm put in this position, okay, to do a job. Okay. I don't care if you're black, white, Hispanic, purple, pink, look like Barney or Teletubby. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't give a. Okay. So let's not go down that road with me. Okay.
That's why she called me.
I got grandparents that are black. Okay, I understand it. Okay, I grew up in the streets of Indianapolis. Okay, so I don't want to hear. Okay, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I just want to hear what happened tonight here. I see you got a scratch on your face. Okay, so now I'm trying to get your side story. What happened?
I'm not one of them that's gonna make a statement on a female to get her. But also, I'm not trying to go to jail.
You told me she scratched you in the face.
Also, I'm not trying to go to jail myself. So I'm only let you know what happened. But also, I'm not trying to get her to go to jail. That's what I'm saying. As a grown man, whatever happened. But at the same time, I'm letting you know this is why she called the police and said X, Y, Z.
Oh, sure.
That's what I'm saying.
So you want me to?
These are the cards that are out of my phone wallet. That's on 776 right now to her.
Okay. I understand.
This is what she told me, and that's why there's a little bit of stuff in the ditch, a little bit. And again, I'm not lying to you. Finally pulled up. Where's my shit at? I'm just trying to go home. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I'm saying, bro. I didn't put hands on. I never. No, I'm off the road, bro.
Okay. So was anything between you two physical? Because you have something on your cheek, okay? You have a scratch on your cheek consistent with being scratched, okay?
Alright. As an alpha male, when a female comes to you and is abrasive, either it's attention or it's physical trying to attack you.
Okay.
So you have to
let's break this down. Okay. We'll break this down. A is tension, or B is she's going to attack you. Which happened? A or B?
Okay, well, we see the outcome of it. And again, I'm not trying to make a statement so she goes to jail.
Officers continued to pressure the man for his side of the story, emphasizing the need to hear both perspectives to clarify who the real victim was.
Because I was not the aggressor. I was never
that's fine. Okay.
But I'm not trying to say anything that incriminates her.
Nobody said anybody was going to jail. We're just trying to figure out what's going on, dude. That's all I care about. I want to make sure I'm not going to leave here today.
I get you.
Are you guys in a relationship? You guys a couple? You guys the number one?
If I had my phone, I would show you some videos.
I don't want to see videos. I just want you to tell me. I just want you to tell me, listen, we're either dating or not dating, because I'm going to go ask her. So, are you dating her? Or are you not dating her? You friends with benefits?
Home for my sisters. Okay. So, yeah, what? Did she get upset with you? Okay.
I was like, relax, chill out. There's family here. We can only do this X, Y, Z. It's not, you know what I mean? Unless you're going to go to my house, which I'm not bringing it in my house.
Yeah. So she wanted to bring that back here?
Upset with it.
Okay.
That's why she's.
You want to right now? Alright.
She said she threw my keys to. What is that right there?
So what happened after she got upset at you and you guys came back here?
She drove off with my. I jumped on the hood of her car. Say, hey, let me get my keys. Let me get my car.
Okay.
I was literally on the hood of her car. Hey, I'm not going to testify. I'm not going to go to.
I'm just asking you what happened.
Alright, shut me up, bro. Please don't cut me out for that time. Okay. I'm going to explain something to you. Please don't cut me out.
I got you, but you're not really saying a whole lot.
So, what that means,
Do you have any other injuries on you besides scratch?
my knee's a little bit scratched. But I mean, it's not much.
Okay. Alright. Did you fall down or anything?
Again,
Alright.
Avoiding.
Sure. Is there anything else you can tell me about what happened out here?
I don't want her to go to jail.
I've got some photos of you. I can't make you tell me. She's going to jail tonight. Not based off of necessarily what you said, but I have more than enough from what came inside that house.
Listen,
okay?
Listen. This is where I don't want to be that guy, bro.
You're not that guy.
I don't want to be that guy.
Listen,
listen to me.
You're not being that guy. This is the state of Florida doing this. Even if you would have never said anything to us,
she would want you to do.
She would have still gone to
even
jail.
if you didn't say a word.
That's what I wanted to
mom
do.
told us
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just not say.
Well, it wouldn't change the outcome. Okay. Here's the thing.
You know what I'm saying?
I know.
I don't want to have to say nothing for her to.
Right.
I'm not trying to make any mistakes.
You did. Okay.
I'm not trying to do anything.
I know you're not. I understand that. And here's the thing. I know you're a tough dude, but it doesn't give somebody the right to come out with a kitchen knife. And
Shara was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill and domestic battery by intentional touch or strike.
Come on!
Stop! Stop pulling away from me!
I'm not doing anything!
Put me on for 49 with 37.6 and confirm her.
On July 12, 2022, officers responded to a residence following a death investigation nearby, where they discovered that a man had an active warrant for grand theft auto. As deputies took him into custody, his wife approached, claiming the warrant had already been resolved. However, further investigation uncovered a shocking twist. She too had an active warrant for the same offense. As the cops arrested the woman, she became increasingly agitated, pulling away from the officers. She insisted she wasn't expecting to be arrested and refused to comply with their instructions.
Really? No, please no.
Don't.
Wait,
No.
God
No.
dang it.
Stop.
Wait, I gotta go tell somebody.
Stop.
Come on, I did court.
Stop.
Wait,
Stop.
oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't run, I'll tase
Please
you.
don't stop.
Stop.
I just want to get her attention real quick so I give her my money and Lisa!
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God, please wait. I got stuff
Stop.
in my
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God, I got stuff in my Lisa!
Stop.
I mean,
Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. Help me.
Stop.
Get my stuff.
Stop.
Oh my God. Apparently I'm arrested too for the same thing.
Stop.
Yeah, my paper.
Stop. Stop reaching for stuff.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Stop.
Get away. I just want to give her my money and stuff.
Can we get her money, please?
I'll take care
Clean
of
out
it.
my pockets.
I'm just asking.
Come on. Wayne.
Stop. Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not doing anything.
Put me on
I
the
just want to give
49 with 37.6 and confirm her
just want
warrant.
to-
Stop.
You're arrested.
Stop.
You don't even confirmed it yet.
Yeah, she's just loud.
Wayne.
Stop. Stop. If you got dope in your pocket, stop. Stop
I
wigging
gotta
out.
pee. I gotta.
Well, that's not my fault. Stop
I
pulling
gotta
from
pee.
me.
I'm gonna pee on myself.
Come over here to the front of my car.
I got to pee.
Stop.
I got to pee.
Stop.
Please let me go, buddy.
No, we're not.
Oh my God.
Stop trying to slip the handcuffs. Stop.
Nothing. You're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you. You're trying to get out of the handcuffs. Stop. Whatever's in your pocket, I'll deal with it. All right? Stop.
Oh my God. I got to pee.
Well,
I got to pee. I got to pee on myself. Oh my God. Please let me go potty.
you got any needles on you?
No, I don't. Why would I have needles on me?
Well, because you really want whatever's in your pocket.
I don't.
While being restrained, she continued to make excuses and demanded to be allowed to use the bathroom, but the officers remained in control of the situation.
Stop. Please let me go potty. Oh my God. Please let me go potty. Please. Please. Please.
What else you have?
That's it.
No, that's not it. That's not it. Come on.
Please, let me go potty. I gotta pee.
Oh, come on.
I gotta pee.
No.
This is ridiculous.
You think this is my first rodeo?
I got to pee.
Well, you're not.
Can I use the get
Stop!
out? I need
Stop
to pee.
moving.
I've got to pee. I'm
Stand
about to
here
piss on
and
myself.
Stop.
I'm about to piss on myself.
That's why you wanted to give her your money.
No, it wasn't. I really got to pee.
Well, you're not going to pee right here. Pee whenever we get to the jail.
I can't. I'm gonna pee on you. I'm gonna pee.
You got anything in your bra?
No.
She's fine. She's just acting like a child. She has a warrant out of New Mexico. Yes. Another one, and she has meth in her pocket. Yep.
Dee, God damn it.
She has meth in her pocket. So, you got anything on you?
No, I just told you that 3 times already.
Well, look what I found. That's why you wanted them to get your money.
I have to pee.
Well, you're not coming out of handcuffs.
I don't want to come out of handcuffs. I just want to go potty.
We're an adult. We can hold it until we get to the
can't.
jail.
I'm already.
Okay? If you guys, I'm sorry.
Please.
It's not coming out of handcuffs. If you guys don't mind, you can wait up there.
Oh my God, what am I supposed to do? My dog. Stephen Cole, why?
You got anything hiding in your bra?
No.
Okay.
I'm about to piss on myself.
Okay, come on. You're going to the car. Ma'am, do you mind go wait up there for me? Huh?
I just lost this.
Okay. All right, have a seat, please.
Where's my phone?
It's up there. I'll get it.
Oh my God! This is. Oh, because of this is.
She had 31 on her.
Please,
Go have local.
Please. These handcuffs are really hard.
No, they're not. They're on the right way.
Please. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! He was taken care of! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Stop screaming, please.
I don't want to go back to jail!
Well, you're going.
I know, you're such you.
Stop kicking my car.
I want to kick you. I was patting my foot. Please let me go pee.
No, you're not coming out of there.
Please.
You're in the car. We're done.
The woman was charged with possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting arrest without violence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting videos. See you in the next one.